Work kinetic energy theorem, example number 4. A 30,000 kilogram jet flies level for 6,200 meters. At the beginning of this distance, the jet was flying 195 meters per second. The jet's engines exert a total force of 558,110 newtons for 2,500 meters. The air resistance exerts a 22,500 force in the opposite direction for 6,200 meters. What is the final speed of the jet? So a lot of numbers and forces on this thing. So let's kind of diagram it out and see what's going on. So I know that the engine is going to work for 2,500 meters, and there's its force in the same direction as displacement. And air resistance is going to oppose the motion of the jet itself. So which force does work on the jet or by the jet? Well, the engine's force goes to the right, and the displacement goes to the right. So that's being work done by the engine itself on the jet. And the air resistance goes the opposite direction of the displacement. So air resistance goes left, displacement goes right. Since they go in opposites, that's work done on the jet. So how does this affect our energy? Well, when I'm looking at this, I've got the kinetic energy plus the work of the engine, because that's work done by the engine, minus the work of air resistance, because that's work done on the jet. And that equals the final kinetic energy. Throw in my equations, isolate my velocity, and then put in numbers and units. And when I do all that, I get my final velocity to be 349 meters per second.